kind of keep it down, please?
Wait. No. You don't tell me. You're my driver.
We've all seen countless videos like this before. Introducing the new lineup of BlackVue taxi and rideshare dashcam models. Featuring a full HD infrared interior camera with a 180-degree wide-angle view. You'll capture the road ahead as well as the interior of your vehicle in crisp detail, no matter the lighting condition. Footage is stored safely and easily accessible with the BlackVue app. With a BlackVue cloud account, you can elevate your level of protection even further with automatic event file uploads as well as unlock features like event notifications. The BlackVue taxi and rideshare line of dashcams is also available as an LTE option with built-in LTE, making it easy for your dashcam to stay connected at all times. And with seamless pairing, setting up your dashcam is a breeze. No need for passwords or scanning codes. The BlackVue line of taxi and rideshare dashcams. Drive with confidence and peace of mind. Find yours at BlackVue.com.